Miss Jessie again, and today we are going to make something special with a special person. This special person is my dad, Dan
Cahill. Glad to meet you. Heard awesome things about you guys, so. What are we going to make? Green salsa? No, it's tomatillo salsa, official way, but Jessie calls it green.
Yeah. So green salsa is one of my favorite dishes that my dad makes. You can put it on with chips, with tacos, with enchiladas. It's very good. So today we're going to teach you how to make it. We're going to need some tomatillos. Tomatillos are like tomatoes, but they're orange, but they're green. We need a blender. You'll see what we're going to use with that. We're going to need a lime squeezer, some garlic, and some
onions,
and we're gonna need some jalapenos. And the jalapenos can range from spicy to mild.
We have a quesilla, which is a mild pepper, which is good for kids. Jalapenos are my favorite. That's perfect heat. And for the strong, we have the habanero. So watch out. And be sure to wash your hands afterwards. Okay, so first thing we need to do is peel the tomatillos. Our next step, Jessie, what do we do?
We're going to put some olive oil on top of the tomatillos. This will help them bake and will also help the salt stick. So, we put some on.
Okay, perfect. And we do a little dance with it, right?
You can.
So, then we put a little salt on it.
Yes.
Here, Jessie.
A little salt. You can either put some in your hands so you don't get too much, and just drizzle it right on top. And then we are going to...
In a preheat oven, we need to do about 400 degrees. Before you start, you put it on for 400. And when you're done peeling...
Because it's at 400 degrees now.
So our next step is to cut an onion. So we cut this in half, see? Big sharp knife. We take a look that we have this marking of the black markings on the peppers. They're about 10 minutes out. So we're gonna wait about 2 minutes and we'll start the new step. So our next step is to check the tomatillos. So we're gonna look in the oven. Jess is gonna pull them out right now. They should be almost soft, so let's go. And the parents should be doing this part.
Yes, definitely. We're gonna open the oven up. We're gonna take a look.
Second one. And Jess is gonna put it on right there. So the tomatillos right now have to be a soft consistency right now. Okay? So if you can take a look at them, they're soft. Turns like a light yellow, they're pretty much ready.
Okay, friends, so our next step is...
Take the jalapeno peppers off the griddle. So you see how black they are? That's how I like them. So I'm going to take a few off because we got how many tomatillos in there?
Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So we were thinking about one jalapeno pepper for every one. So let's do that. So the idea is to wear gloves because the juice from the peppers can burn your hands. So then you put them in the blender.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Jessie. So in this part, I am putting the jalapenos inside the blender and cutting off the tops of it. I apologize for doing a voiceover, but my dog was barking, so you're not able to hear the voice very well. So in this part, we're going to put 2 heads of garlic inside the blender.
Start the blender right now. So we're going to put power, and we're going to blend it for about 20 to 40 seconds. Here we go. could smell this right now. It smells awesome. So our next step right now is to squeeze some lime juice in there. So we cut the limes in half, and Jessie's going to do the squeeze.
So we're gonna do a big squeeze. We're gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. So we see all that lime juice come right out of the lime.
Good job. Let's do 2 more.
So we got 1, we're gonna do 2 more.
And here's Dad that will do it. Oh, oh.
Craig muscles. So there's 2, and then we're gonna do 1 more, okay?
Let's cut another one. Here, Jessie. We're a great team. Let's do it together.
Go right on in.
Okay.
And here's 3.
Perfect. So we're going to add a little bit more salt to make it taste better. It's to your liking. So I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay. We're going to blend it one more time. What you can do is add cilantro at the end to make it, if you like cilantro. So now we're going to pour it out and try it out. And we just bought some chips from, so here we go.
And it's nice and warm because the tomatillos had just come out of the oven and the jalapenos were on the grill.
Welcome back. So, we got bowls, we got chips, we got salsa. Now we can try it out. Here we go, Jessie.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, so I hope you can share this special dish with someone that you love, whether it be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, anyone who's in your life that you care about. I want to wish all the dads who are out there or who have stepped in as a dad a happy Father's Day, and a happy Father's Day to my dad.
And it's so awesome cooking with your daughter or son. So, happy Father's Day to everybody out there.